XiaMen University. Its Chinese pinyin is Xiàmén Dàxué, and colloquially known as Xiàdà in Mandarin Chinese. And XiaMen University is a public research university in Xiamen, Fujian, China. It's established in 1921 by Tang Ka-ki, and Mr. Tang was an overseas Chinese businessman. He donated millions of dollars to build Amoy University in the city of Amoy. Amoy is the old name of Xiamen City. And you can still see the statue of Mr. Tang Ka-ki at the gate entrance of the university. The XiaMen University is ranked as one of the top academic institutions in southern China. It's famous for strong majors and courses such as economics and management, fine arts, law, chemistry, journalism, communication, and mathematics. Today, XiaMen University hosts over 40,000 students on its 4 campuses. And there are 4 campuses. The first one is the main campus in Xiamen Island. The second campus is in Xiang'an, Xiamen, and the third campus is in Zhangzhou, and the fourth one is in Malaysia. The XiaMen University Malaysia campus was established in 2015, and XiaMen University began operations at its Xiangmen campus in 2012. The main campus of XiaMen University is located in the Ximing district in Xiamen Island. It is located at the foothills of mountains, facing the ocean and surrounded by Xiamen Bay. The main campus becomes a tourist attraction in Xiamen. And XiaMen University main campus is famous for its beautiful scenery. There are rare school campuses where you can find beach, mountain valley, lake, and tropical island in one campus. XiaMen University has established 16 Confucius Institutes with global partners in 13 countries. The university provides summer programs and encourage the international students to come to learn Mandarin language and Chinese culture. The XiaMen University Malaysia campus, established in 2015, is a branch of XiaMen University maintaining close ties with the main campus. Although it functions as its own university and its own admissions office,